that it is here.
Okay, sorry.
So yeah, if we are in Web 2, they're like, so let's just look 10% are scammers and like hackers and all, and 90% are general audience. But you will see a majority of people in the Web 3 are trying to scam or like take advantage of you. So you have to have your security. You cannot share your wallet seed phrases. What is a wallet, and like these kind of things you have to have in mind before entering in space. You do not interact with anything. If you have a if you have a wallet, you do not connect with any miscellaneous or any random project, a regular password or something. It's something like unique in itself. It cannot be changed. So if someone gains an access to your wallet, it cannot be changed. So like if someone hacks my wallet, these all NFTs are gone. So how do you like secure itself? There is a term called hardware wallet. So it's more like a pen drive kind of device. So you can have it and secure your digital assets on that. So yeah, again, the security is really important in the space itself. So be aware. It is good for your networking. So if you go, how do you start first? So just search any. Just hop on the Twitter. If there is space going on related to NFT, just go there, sit in the audience panel and just listen what people are talking about, like what they are talking about. Like most of the spaces you will see are most of the spaces are education based, and you learn lot more. And some spaces like start with small spaces where there are only 10 to 20 people, where you can go to speaker and you can become a speaker and just question them and learn more about what they are doing and like how they are performing. So like you started by the people, like if you have seen these apes, board apes. Yeah, so board apes were 10,000 collection of apes with the different assets and different key features. So some guys from board apes made this
users who are spending money and investing in it.
So yeah, like you can first you trade, if you trade cryptocurrencies, so you can trade NFTs as well. One thing, and they people collect different things. Like some people collect physical art, some people collect shoes. Like so people collect multiple things. Some
People can buy, we as users can buy their tokens. And if I have their users, so I can actually participate in some of their decisions. Let's say after the match, so there is a match between A and B, A versus B. After the match, the team will be going to which restaurant to eat their food. So let's say they open a pool, and people who are holding their fan tokens can actually participate. They can vote on them. So in a certain way, they have the indirect control over the team's decision. So, and that is what is striking users to participate in it.
use these tokens to provide like any use cases. If let's just say if I open a merchandise of the project, so if I open a use case in merchandise, you can go and buy with the token you want from these NFTs and own a physical something. And there was a project, I forgot the name. What they did is they maintain an NFT of a socks. So if you burn that sock, you will have the physical copy of that sock. If you don't burn it, it's still there. So you can have multiple ways to provide the utility of your collector. So these are